Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? King Pacino, I'm back. What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Pacino, aka Mr. World Class, aka Swish. I'm back with another banger. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click that notification bell button so you get all the notifications anytime I drop. Because you know when I drop them bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers. So you know I'm going to keep you guys updated on this journey to trading. Remember, I am partnered up with a really good friend of mine and business partner who has made well over $100,000 a month in the trading field over the last 8 years. And so we have a system put in place, guys, that's going to help people earn passive streams of income. I know all my crypto community, the main goal of what we want to do is continue to add opportunities to earn passive streams of income. So I told you guys I'm going to be embarking on this journey with some very influential people that I know who specialize in this area, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on exactly my journey. Remember, if you want to be a part of this journey, guys, make sure that you click in the description. You'll see a Telegram group. You can join there. I do have testimonials, guys. If you want to see some of those testimonials, I'll show you testimonials as well of people who's having success as I'm going through this journey, guys. And so I'm excited about the journey, and I'm going to show you step by step exactly what I need to do and the steps I'm taking. And I'm going to take you through the entire process, guys, all the way through. And I'm going to show you the good, the bad, and ugly. I'm going to show you everything. I'm not going to hide anything. I'm going to be all the way 1001 transparent and show you guys what time it is. So if you're looking for a way to get that additional income, you'll see my journey. And from my journey, guys, you can decide if this opportunity is meant for you. But today, remember, I told you guys I am working on passing a challenge for $100,000 to be funded to. And I showed you guys after I pass this challenge, I'm going to request for the $100,000 funded account. Then I'm also going to put this special No More 9 to 5 bot on it and let it trade and watch the magic happen. And I'm going to show you guys that. But all I have to do, guys, I already showed you that I had to produce at least 10%, right? 10%. So as you can see here, guys, let me show you for the week. Let me show you where it started. Well, I may say for the month, I guess. But for the month, here's all the trades that has happened on to start this account, right, for the challenge, okay? So for the challenge, I started off with 100,000 or for the challenge. This is not my live account. This is for me to pass the challenge. And so my minimum is 14 days to trade. So I got to trade for 14 days. So the first 3 days, you see 1, 2, 3. All I had to do was open a trade and close it immediately. Open and immediately close. I'm going to show you that today because I got to do that today because I think I have 4 more days. I'm going to show you that. After that, I had the team of experts come, use the software and everything to perform trades, guys. You can see all these trades, and all these trades were done on the 29th. High frequency trading, as you can see, August the 29th. All of these trades were performed, okay? I think it was over 300 plus trades that were performed strictly through automation, okay? Strictly through automation. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom, fast forward to the bottom. As you can see, $10,154 was actually traded, okay? So I was actually profited. So I had to do, I think, a 10%. Which means I had to go over $10,000 to earn. We were able to do that with the software for 1 day. And as you can see, guys, I think they're actually taking care of this for me because what's today, the 5th? Yeah, already on the 5th. So they pretty much already taking care of it for me. So I've been coming in here, guys, because they told me I would just do this for the next 14 days. But the team, I can see, as you can see, September the 5th, they came in here and opened and closed the trade for 13 cents, you see? 3 cents, you see? And that's because we've already hit the mark of 10,000 profit. So the remaining of the 14 days is just opening and closing a trade. I came in here to do it myself, but I see that the team, the specialists, have already taken care of it for me today because I do see today they've already opened and closed the trade. I was going to show you guys how easy it was because I was going to come in here and do it, but the team is already doing it. So I don't even have to do that part. And I was just going to show you how easy that was. And all I would have had to do, guys, excuse me, allergies, was go to trade. Ooh, my allergies kicking me. Go to trade. I could have just went to Bitcoin like this, went to trade, open the trade up by clicking buy market. And soon as I click it and buy it, I just click, hold it, and close it. I was going to show you that part, but they've already done it. So I don't need to do it again, as I already see it in the history. Okay. But as you can see, guys, every day, let me go slide over here and show you what do I mean by that as well. Okay, so my account, guys, and remember, I am not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice, and but I'm just showing you what I'm doing because I want to be transparent, and I'm making this not only for you, but I'm making this for someone 6 or 7 or 8 months down the line from there, my journey, so they can see this was the pivot. When the market was bare, what did I choose to do? What did I choose to do? And I'm showing you guys. So M Solutions is who I chose to go with as my first prop firm challenge. Guys, my goal is to have multiple prop firms, okay, and to have over $1 million worth of funding, okay, and use hands-free automation to get 1 to 3% per day off of the prop firms that I do select, guys. We're talking about, you do the math on that. Hey, do $1 million, do 1 to 3% a day, and that'll let you know what my goals are when it comes to the prop firm game and trading, guys. One thing I can tell you is if you pull up prop firms and you see things, you'll see a lot of people out here talking about the prop firms, and it's a lot of people making a lot of money too. But the beauty is what we have, right? Most of the people that's making a lot of money, they trade, they're manually trading, they developed themselves in the skill set over the last 5, 4, 5, 6, 7 years to trade, and they're being profitable, which is great. Right? But maybe you're listening to the sound of my voice and you've never traded a day in your life. Well, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I'm doing, guys, right? I'm going to walk you straight through how you can actually purchase our software, hook it up to your funded account once you pass the challenge, right? Or pay the experts to pass the challenge like I'm showing you on my account. And then once they pass the challenge and you get your funded account, you can hook our software to it, and it'll trade and earn you money hands-free without you even knowing the skill. But we do offer a mentorship program that'll teach you the skill. So you'll be earning while you're learning. So I'm taking you through this entire journey of what I'm going through personally so you can see me go through it myself. So the first prop firm I chose was M Solutions. I'm not telling you to get M Solutions if you decide to do it. There's tons of prop firms out there. You want to do your research on them and make sure you choose a prop firm that is going to be good for you. But this is the one that I chose to go with. It's a little longer to get a payout because it's a 14-day minimum trade. So I had to trade for 4 days. Some prop firms don't have no minimum days. So as soon as you pass it, you can pass it, and then once you pass it the same day, if you do, then you can also start automatically getting approved for your funds so you can start trading. This one here offers, I have to wait. So 14 days of trading, and then after that, I have to trade for at least 30 days, and then I can request a withdrawal after 30 days. And then after that, every 15 days. So this one is going to be a little bit longer for me to get to a withdrawal, but it's okay because I am going to be also getting some other prop firms as well too. Because once again, my goal is to have over $1 million worth of funding. And so, guys, I just want you to know that, especially my drip community, because I want you guys to know, listen, there's always more than one way to skin a cat, guys. Okay? There's always more than one way to skin a cat. So I want my brilliant minds, for my investors who really are trying to get to this bag. Okay? And you have a little bit of investment capital. I'm trying to expose you to a way to where you can get to this bag, increase your bag, and still be able to empower drip at the same time. Because as we're increasing and getting our bags, guys, we now have the control and the power, right? So I want to get you free. So let's go and look at the affiliate. Let's go and look at the trader dashboard. Now the trader dashboard tells you what the account size is, right? Which is 100,000 where I started, right? It lets you know that my account is active. So I am actually actively taking the challenge, right? Letting you know my win rate is 86%. Let you know my loss rate is 13%. It lets you know how many days I've been trading, 11 days. Now, I have had a video. If you go back, it shows you on day 1 when I first started trading, opening and closing trades. 14 days. I'm 3 days away. I'm 3 days away. 3 days away from passing this challenge and requesting $100,000. Now ask yourself a question. What would you invest if you had an opportunity to get a chance to get get funded up to $100,000 and have software that you can put with it that's going to trade on $100,000 account and print you money? See, guys, there's more than one way. This is why I'm showing you this, guys, because I want to make sure that you understand that integrity and honor is everything. Listen, you do not have to compromise your integrity or any of that to get to the bag. If you keep your integrity, if you keep your honor, right? All money's not good money. Don't just run for that money that you know is standing on and it's not on the right soil, right? Connect with the people who are aligned with the right mindset. They have the right mind and the right integrity, right? And you're gonna find yourself in a better situation. So right now I'm at 10,157 cents as my total profit. As you can see, this is all hands-free automation. So I'm taking you guys through the whole thing, right? So I want to make sure I put my disclaimer. This is not my live account yet. This is my demo account through 8cap Demo 04, which is through M Solutions, where they're monitoring my trade performance to see if I'm worthy to get $100,000. So I'm just letting the next couple days go by, open and closing trades, because I've already hit the 10%. When I go here, guys, it'll let me know the challenge details. The challenge details is you start with 100,000, right? It lets you know on here what your goal is. Goal target, 10. The minimum trading days, 14 trading days, right? The maximum days. There's no maximum days, so you can trade as long as you want. The maximum, the daily drawdown, which is the most you can lose in a day, is 5%, or else you lose your challenge. If you lose your challenge, guys, then you just lose your money and got to go take another challenge. But as you can see, I did not have to worry about that. We hit the goal. As you see, your max loss is 12%. And they give examples of how this actually works is too. So this is my goal meter. So as you can see, it says my daily drawdown, right? My daily drawdown, it tells you right here, daily drawdown is the dynamic based on your starting balance, right? Your equity or whichever is higher. You are currently enrolled into a $100,000 one-step challenge, which allows your daily drawdown is 5%. So in this example, it's showing, today's expectation, I got $110,154 at 5%. The most that I could lose today is $5,505.03. If I lose more than that, then all of a sudden my account is closed because I hit my daily drawdown. But as you can see, I'm open and closing trades for 13 cents for the day. So I do not have to worry about even trying to even get remotely close to this. I don't have to worry about that right now, okay? So right now, your loss, it gives you a breakdown on this. About this rule, your max loss is a fixed percentage for your account initial balance. You're currently enrolled in the 100K one-step challenge, which allows a max loss of 12%. So my formula is 100,000 times 12% gives me 12,000. So the most I could lose is $12,000, right? So in short, if you have an account and it falls below 88,000, this results into your challenge being violated for max loss. So of course, obviously, I am nowhere close to losing $12,000 over the next 3 days, and I'm open and closing trades that's less than 13 to less than $1 per trade for the next 3 days. So I do not have to worry about that. So it's pretty safe to say, guys, in the next couple days, I would have passed my challenge, and then I would be able to request my $100,000 funded account. Now we're gonna go to the profit split. I guess this is once it becomes active. So it's letting me know my next withdrawal available will be September the 23rd. So on September the 23rd, guys, I want you to hear this. Sometime this month, I will be able to put a withdrawal. Now I'm going to be approved in the next 3 days for 100,000. Now I want you to think about this, especially my drip community, right? I want you to think about this. I started this less than 2 weeks ago, right? 14 days of trading, 30 days where it's going to trade. And then by September the 23rd, I will be able to pull and make my first withdrawal. Now, of course, we don't know what that's going to be right now, obviously, because I haven't started trading. But this, I'm doing this video to show you guys because I want y'all to see it live. I want y'all to see this whole thing. So by the time I get to September the 23rd, we can see what's up. We'll see if I'm in the profit. We'll see if I lose. We'll see if I lose the challenge and lose my money. We'll see if the bot that I'm telling you that we actually own, which is the difference, because guess what? People know how to trade, but if you're not a trader, guess what? You can't do this. But guess what? You join me, the Crypto Millionaires, the No More 9 to 5 movement, the world-class lifestyle, you can actually purchase software that'll do it for you hands-free. You won't have to worry about if you're putting your money into something and got to get a certain percentage back a day, if you can pull it out, if people going to rug pull it, none of that. We're going to show you exactly how you're going to control your own destiny, your own finances, right? So, but I wanted to show you guys the profit split on here, but it does not show me, but it does show me this, right? I know that this particular client, this particular prop firm offers, I think it's a 75% split. So what happens is once I start to trade on this account, whatever the profits are, then I would get 75%. The prop firm would get 25%. So in this example, let's just say if this was a live account and it was $10,000 profit, then that means I would get $7,500, right, for the month. And the prop firm would get $2,500. So I want you to think about that, right? Well, what would it be like to see, oh, you got $10,000 in profit, you get $7,500 for the month, and you just got to give them $2,500. Not a problem. Now, there's some prop firms that's coming out, guys, that's going to offer you 80, 85%, even 90%. Some even offer a refund on the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, they'll give you a full refund on the challenge. Right, so there's a lot going on in this market space that I want to definitely take you guys through and show you because I want to empower the community, especially my drip community. Especially my drip community. I want to show you how you're going to become financially free. I want to show you ways that's going to legitimize you, that's going to show you how to get to this bag. So if you enjoyed this video and you're interested on how you can get passive streams of income, hands-free automation, you want to be a part of this journey before I even start launching off. Guys, listen. Let me show you this real quick. Hold on. Where is it at? Let me go to my Telegram. Let me go to the telly. Let me go to the telly. World-class lifestyle. Come join us. We're just getting started here, right in here. But you can see some of the testimonials that are in here, guys. Okay. Excited about this. My first month was 9K profit on a 50K account. Okay, so they got funded for $50,000, right? They connected the bot to it. The bot went to work for them, guys. They earned $9,000. She earned $9,000 for the month, right? And you want to know the beautiful part about this, guys? This doesn't require you to use anybody. You don't have to tell anybody about this. Guys, that's the power. I'm just telling you guys because I'm trying to help the community. But I don't even have to make these videos. The bot is going crazy on gold. Look at this. Look at the profit. Y'all saw that? Did y'all see that? Let me show you. Look at that. Look at the profit. 21,000. Right? Look at that. Withdrawal. Look at that. The withdrawals are real 2 days ago. 9,600. Guys, I don't have to share this information, but guess what? I want to share this information. Right? Happy Wednesday, everybody. On the call, I shared. Getting a No More 9 to 5 bot. I had 108 trades taken so far this month with only one loss. Today, mind-blowing. Let's look and see. Profit, $13,782.44. Guys, I could keep going, but I'm not. Because guess what? It really don't matter. I'm going to show you the journey. And hopefully you guys who are excited or interested or looking for a better way, guess what? You'll grab a hold. Click the link below. Join the Telegram group, guys. And I will definitely show you the way. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's my time. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top because you're built for greatness. Let's go.